Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll see how to unlock an iPhone when home button is not working. Your iPhone like iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8 series and the SE series, they all have a home button and we need to press the home button or touch the home button to unlock an iPhone, right? So whenever the home button is broken, that time how to unlock your device. So let's see in this video how to fix it using a laptop or PC with the iTunes. First of all, make sure that you have installed your latest iTunes software or iTunes version on your laptop or PC. Then open the iTunes and connect to your iPhone with USB cable while iTunes is open on laptop or PC. Once you connect to your iPhone, in iTunes you get your iPhone profile, right? Just open your iPhone. In the summary, okay, in the first option only, scroll down and go and click on configure accessibility. Here if you see, the first option is your voiceover. Okay, just enable that. Okay, tick mark the voiceover and press OK here. Once you press OK, you get a message. Okay, just continue that. Okay, and just proceed here. So here we are enabling the voiceover for our iPhone. So now if you see here,
11:36 Wednesday 22 December, press home to unlock button, press home to unlock, press home to unlock button, passcode field 0.
so here what happens whenever we tap on anything on the screen, okay, your iPhone takes it as a command and proceeds. Okay, so here we tapped on press home to continue or unlock, right? So that is the command for your iPhone and it is press the home button automatically. So now do one thing, after that just go back to iTunes here, okay, and just disable the voiceover because we don't require your voiceover anymore. Okay, just remove the tick mark and press OK. So now you can go back to your iPhone and just enter your passcode or pin code and open your iPhone. So as you can see here, okay, after disabling the voiceover, just take your iPhone and enable or enter your passcode. And guys, after this, a very important thing is that just make sure that you enable assistive touch on your device because it will be acting as your home button whenever your home button is broken on your iPhone. So anyways guys, I hope this video helped you, and if yes, please give a like, please subscribe for more awesome videos. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.